Welcome to Kemper Auto Commercial. In this video, we will learn how to install the XT6376A device. This device confirms vehicle usage only, including garaging zip code, driving radius, daily stops, and states of operation. Installation is simple, but you may need to remove dash panels and manipulate cables around. Let's get started. First, carefully remove the device from the box. If you have received devices for multiple vehicles, please consult your packing slip to ensure the device serial number matches the VIN associated with that device. Second, review the cables received along with the device. Enclosed, you will find an adapter harness cable whose terminals should correspond to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Now, let's find your diagnostic port in the cabin of your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle is turned off before you proceed with installation. The 6-pin, 9-pin, or OBD ports are usually located along one of these points. Depending on your vehicle type, you may need to remove a dash panel to access it. If you cannot find the port, consult your vehicle's owner's manual or contact us at 1-866-558-9531. Once the diagnostic port is located, ensure the enclosed adapter cable matches the port of your vehicle. If the cable's terminal does not match the port, contact us at 1-866-558-9531 for further assistance. First, plug the adapter cable connector into the back of the device, then attach the other end to the vehicle's port. If your vehicle has a 6 or 9-pin port, you will need to twist the connector in order to secure it to the port. OBD connectors do not need to be twisted. Next, start the ignition and let the vehicle idle for 60 to 90 seconds. Once you see the red LED light flashing, the connection process has begun. Allow up to 5 minutes for the device to connect to the appropriate services. Once the LED has a series of fast blinks followed by a single long blink, the device has completed its connection process. Using the enclosed zip ties, mount the device and secure it under the dash with the label facing up. Recommended mounting areas are highlighted below. Once the device has been securely mounted, your installation is complete. Make sure all cables are secured and that they do not interfere with the safe operation of the vehicle. If necessary, you may use additional zip ties to secure the cables. Now you are on your way to keeping your rates affordable. Make sure your device remains connected as required by your policy. And thank you for choosing Kemper Auto Commercial.